Wayne is good. He's very excited. He's worked for us here. He worked for us at the airport. I'm sure he explained where he was at, but he does catering for us now. He's at the beach as a chef there. To see him in this, I have no idea how he'll perform, just based on, if you've never done it, you don't know what to expect. But it could bring out an awesome side of him. But I have a lot of confidence in Wayne. I think he's gonna do awesome.
More than the food, it's the people. I just love the people I work with, chefs and servers. Definitely some of the craziest people you've ever met, but you couldn't meet a tighter bunch. Chef Marty's food's incredible. It obviously speaks for itself. He's built a 35-year reputation in Tampa.
I think when I started, cuisine was a lot different then, and it's evolved so much, but through the years I've had a lot of different great chefs work for us. I mean, I can just say that I'm just very passionate, very inspired, and I think it rubs off on people.
I'm nervous just a little bit, mainly worried about making sure that I stay focused on me. I'm not too worried about the competitors. As soon as that box opens, what am I gonna do? It's kind of hard to prepare.
We've been involved in Epic Chef since the beginning. My role basically is a support role, because I don't compete, so I'm there to support our guys and our crew as well. So our crew goes and shows up a good amount,
Really opened my eyes that it can happen to anybody. I was working hard, making great money, and then all of a sudden I made one simple decision that was gonna further my career, and the next thing I know, I didn't have a career for 6 months. So it's always just kind of hit me at home, so I love doing charity stuff. It means a lot. It really did. Cooking saved my life. Like, if I didn't find that, he pushed me in the right direction, and been going ever since. So it's always been a thing of honoring what he did for me. So I always try to teach young kids everything I know. If I was ever to get out of cooking professionally, I'd like to teach cooking. It gives you an option when there isn't any other options out there. Because you don't need too much skill for this. All you need is willing to work hard, and somebody's gonna show you what you need to know.